how to stream 4K video on YouTube. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to stream 4K videos on YouTube. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your OBS Studio. Then on the bottom right corner you can see End Settings. Simply click onto it. Then here go to Videos option. Then here on Base Canvas Resolution, simply select the highest one available on your PC or your laptop. Here I have 2256 into 1504 resolution for base canvas, so simply click onto it. Select, then same goes for the bottom one, select the highest one. As you can see, both are same. After that, on the FPS as well, simply select the highest one available. I have 60, so simply click onto it. Then on the bottom right corner, simply click on apply. Now while you stream on YouTube, it will be a 4K streaming. So in this very simple way you could stream in 4K on YouTube. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.